Hey class, welcome to Homeroom. Actually, to begin, I'd like it if all of us could share what it is we want to be when we grow up. Actually, Miles and Holden, you go first.
What? At the same time?
Okay.
Well, when I grow up, I really want to be a CCA TV host. No way, me too! Wow. Imagine what that would be like.
Wow.
Hosting CCA TV would be swell. Every Friday morning after the passing bell. Being a CCA TV host is our dream. Me and my best buddy Holden, we make a grand old team.
Not a chance.
Welcome back, CCA. We hope you had a wonderful summer.
Holden and I are so excited to be your hosts for CCA TV's momentous and historic 20th season.
Wow, 20 years of CCA TV.
No, Holden, 10 years of
Wow,
CCA TV.
200
No,
years
no.
of CCA
Holden, that's
TV.
10.
Incredible.
1, 0, 10.
Well, let's hope for another 2,000 years of CCA TV still to come. We hope this season is full of holiday cheer.
Is that what all these ribbons are for?
No, Miles, it's Yellow Ribbon Week.
Oh, let's take a closer look.
Yellow Ribbon Week is a week designated to destigmatizing mental health as well as promoting suicide prevention on campus.
The importance of it is to make sure that our students are safe here and in the community, and it represents students or people who might be struggling with mental health to help get them to talk to somebody, a trusted adult.
We try to have a more open environment on campus to where students feel more free and open to talk about mental health, get help from others, and be able to connect with each other on a level that it isn't wrong to feel not to feel okay.
So Mr. Brown and Mr. Black have two big adventures this year. One is the first actual adventure to South Korea that EF Touring Company has ever done. We also are going to Spain, Switzerland, Italy, and the south of France in the summer.
So this trip is going to be right after school gets out. It's going to start in the Swiss Alps.
Both trips are about 10 days long, one spring break, one summertime. Mr. Brown and I have taken students on every continent except for Antarctica.
So we've been to 5 continents together taking students. We've done 9 of these together, and we've been all over the world. We're real pros at this. It's something that we love to do.
Please come to the informational meeting on September 18th at 6 o'clock in room F202, Mr. Black's room. Bring your parents, bring your best friend that you always wanted to travel with. Let's go on an adventure together.
We're out here on the streets of CCA looking for an opinion.
Let's go. What do you think about Bill de Blasio not qualifying for the most recent presidential debate? Do you think that his campaign future is in jeopardy, and does everything rest solely on the Iowa caucus?
Yeah, and pineapple on pizza?
You don't know.
But guess who does?
Debate Club.
CCA Speech and Debate, we have 5 different debate events where you can learn from things like extemporaneous and impromptu debate to a lot of research-heavy things that focus on global and domestic policy.
Speech teaches you a lot of different skills, from interview to even making connections with other people.
It's really helped me push into the field that I care about, being international relations and foreign policy. We qualified to the state championships, national championships, tournament of champions.
Always have a lot of fun. The club itself is really chill.
A ton of people join anytime during the school year, and we meet every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in G205 at 3 p.m. to 4:30.
So this is our second year of doing the 9/11 Memorial Project here at CCA. We teamed up with Slate this year to put on this event. We set up 2,977 flags, 1 flag for each life lost on 9/11.
It was really nice to be a part of a big project on campus, and it was nice to acknowledge all of the lives lost on that horrible day.
Senior sunrise. This is beautiful.
It really is.
Hey, have you ever seen The Green Flash?
No.
Well, buckle up, buddy. Here it comes.
Whoa.
Here's Arts.
I'm Sadie, and this is... Wait, where? Maxine, you're the other Arts host. I'm Sadie.
I'm Maxine.
And this is Arts. For our first segment, we are going to...
roller skate!
Well, no, but let's check out what a former CCA theater student has been up to since graduating.
It was about this guy named Jeremiah who works at a movie theater during the summer of 1984. And he interacts with all these interesting characters that work at the movie theater with him, and some stuff happens. The cast includes 3 current CCA students.
I played Katie, who's Jeremiah's sister. She is 16 and she is just going through being a teenager.
I played Sunny Cifaretto, who was a movie theater security guard, very out there.
I played Dorothy. She was the general manager of the movie theater.
I was also not only the writer and director, but I was also acting in it.
Philip, he definitely made the whole process very interesting and very fun.
Philip gave us a lot of creative freedom, very over the top.
It worked. He was a fun director and he was great.
How did my time at CCA influence the show? I guess just being in the non-stop crazy environment of having to do a million things at once.
No distractions. It was a great show. You can't see it now because it's over, but it's great.
Hey, Sadie and Maxine. Are you guys the new CCA TV Arts hosts?
Heck yeah.
So what arts do you guys do? Do you guys paint?
No.
No. Dance?
No.
Theater?
Nope. No. But let's check out what Conservatory was up to last week.
Projects is this event where all the different conservatories gather up inside the proscenium and get assigned into random groups, and then they're given a prompt which they have to make like a skit or a play or like a vocal performance to the prompt.
The theme this year was toys. And so what we did was we incorporated some sort of toy into each of our performances.
We all had to kind of learn about each other's different artistic strengths to bring it to the stage.
The show, basically, we went out and performed in front of all the conservatory members and basically just had a good time.
Hey Maxine, can I try those on?
Sure. So do you want to do a lap or something?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
I'm Sadie.
I'm Maxine. And this is Arts.
Oh, senior sunrise has me tired.
Yeah, me too. I think I might take a nap.
Signing off.
I'm Holden.
And I'm Miles. Stay rested, CCA.